Hey YouTube, MK22 with a little thing to do. So yeah, I decided to do a random pack opening, and I'm going to be leaving my cards like simply unlucky does from now on. Yeah, so Galactic Overlords. Let's see what I can get. Hopefully I can pull some awesome cards from here. And we have a Heretic Seal of Convocation and a nope, I guess nothing for now. Inzektor Earwig though. So Return of the Duelist. Let us see what we can pull. Fairy King Alberditch and a, well, nothing. Galactic Overlords again. One sec. I just got some random packs. So yeah. Final Injection and a Xyz unit. Very nice. If you want to buy any of these cards, check out my Pojo Forums page. I'll be buying, selling, trading. Well, not buying, sorry. Photon Shockwave now. Yugioh Kage and a nope. So yeah, Order of Chaos now. I hope to at least pull 2 holos. 8 packs, 2 holos. That'd be good. Reverse Buster and a it's a fusion. Return of the Duelist, come on. I got a holo from, I think, a Galactic Overlords. Yeah. Pretty sure that's from Galactic Overlords. And it is, first edition too. Alright. CW Phoenix Bow and a Rebound. Very nice. That's the Paul holo. Alright, so we got 2 holos, like I needed. Let's see if we can get more. So yeah. Let's try to pull another holo. Ancient Dragon and Heretic Dragon of Giba. So very nice. Another holo. These are all first edition so far. Storm, Inzektor. Yeah. Come on. Let's do another holo. I know I'm being greedy, but let's try it. Ah. Baby Dragon and a Inzektor Legia. Very nice. So yeah, Not too bad. I guess we got 2 supers and 2 ultras. Very nice pulls. So in the car, like when if you want these cards, just go to my Pojo forums page. I'll have them for trade and sell. I might have a link. I'll have a link to it in the description below. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, so that'll be it. I'm Gay22 signing out.